Well, not really how I wanted to start my day off. So I left the house this morning at about right around noon, around 12 o'clock. And I got to Huntington, Tennessee. I had to stop over there and drop off a payment uh, for my storage locker that I've got over there. And as I was turning off of East Main Street onto High Street over there, I heard a pop and I heard a clicking in my back tire. I knew immediately I'd run over a screw or a bolt or something that was stuck in my tire. I was hoping it was just maybe a rock stuck in the tread, but no such luck. It was a screw, and it's Saturday, so there's only like one tire repair shop in the whole town of Huntington over there. So and they're closed on Saturday, so that didn't work out. And so, fortunately, they've also got a Walmart in Huntington, but it's a little teeny tiny Walmart, and they don't have a tire repair center, auto care center. So there you have it. I wound up driving it from Huntington to Camden because they do have a Walmart over here with an auto care center. So, and I knew they were open on Saturday. So I was lucky enough. I made it over here to Camden Walmart to get the tire fixed. That tire right there. And I got here. Got checked in at 1:24 p.m. and it is now exactly 3:24 p.m. and they just finished up with it. So 2 hours for the Camden Auto Care Center to patch a tire. And they did have a few vehicles in front of me, so I'm not necessarily complaining about that. I mean, 2 hours to patch a tire is it's a little crazy. But then again, what are you going to do? It's Saturday. There aren't any other tire shops open. And I say all that to say this, guys. That is one of the struggles of living in a small rural area. Number one, you don't have, like I said, there's only like one tire repair shop in the whole town of Huntington. So even on a good day, you got to get to that one tire shop over there. And there could be another one or two that maybe I don't know about. I don't hang out over there that often, but it's just the struggles of living in a small town, rural area is that, that has screwed up my day. I'm 3 hours down because some dummy dropped a screw out in the road or threw a screw out in the road and I picked it up. Just my luck. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. I'm going to try to get back to where I started out this morning.